My daughter loves the safari animal toy figurines, and then it also comes with this book, Look, Sound, and Touch. So you can touch the animals, you can read about the animals in the book, and then you can also hear the sounds they make by the buttons on the side of the book. The book does have graphics instead of like an actual picture of what the animal would look like in real life. And then as you're reading about the animal, you can touch the corresponding picture of the animal and hear the sound that the animal makes. I will say some of the noises are a little bit odd. I don't know exactly what a giraffe sounds like, so maybe that's part of it. My daughter's favorite part is the little figurines. They're all about handheld size, so between 5 and 7 inches. They're perfect for her to be able to hold them in her own hands. It also comes with these 2 little trees and then little like mounds of dirt that you can kind of arrange the animals on. These animal figurines are also just a lot of fun for imaginative play. My daughter likes to carry them around, make her own version of the sounds that the animals make, and then kind of set them up. This set comes with 13 animals total, and they are washable, so if we've spilled something on them, they're really easy to wipe off, and sometimes she'll throw them in the bath with her. They've been fine. Overall, we're really happy with these wild animal figurines. We like that they're not the typical horse, cow. It's fun to have the safari animals and the wild zoo life. We also really like the size of these. Again, for a toddler, they can easily fit in their hands. The book is fun to read as well.